Hi guys, welcome back to Android tutorial. In this part of this tutorial, I am going to explain how to create a simple view component in an Android project. So open up the Eclipse IDE. Here I am going to create a new project. So take the new project option. Here it is an Android application project. Click next. Here I just gave the application name as view demo app, and change the project name as view demo project. Okay, also change the default package name and make the minimum required version is 2.2. It is Froyo, and the target version is 4.2, and definitely it is compiled with the target version, that is the 4.2 Jelly Bean. Okay, click next. Leave all these are default and click next. Again, here is the launcher icon selection option is present here. I just leave it. Here I am going to create a blank activity. Click next. Here I just change the name of the activity. I give the name first activity and change the layout name as first layout. Okay, click finish. Now you can see that the project is created. You can see the project folders at the project explorer. Also here is the view component. It is the layout of the activity. It is a simple XML file. Okay, now I am going to add some view component to this activity. I just enlarge the activity. Here is the XML file. In that XML file you can see a text view is present here. I just delete that text view. Okay, here now I am going to place a simple Android button. Now I have to set the layout of that button, Android layout. Width is equal to, I just make a value 175 density pixel for width of the button. Also here is the height, Android layout height. Make the height as a wrap content, that is it is compatible with the content of that button. Now I am going to place a text on the button. Now I am going to refer the text from the string.xml with an identifier bn. Okay, now just go to the bin folder, the resource folder. You can see a value folder is present inside the resource folder. Expand that folder. Within that folder you can see a XML file called string.xml. Open up that. Here is the simple GUI for adding a resource. Also you can see the XML file for the string.xml for the resource. So now I am going to add a resource for that button. I am going to add a string resource. Click OK. Here the name of the resource, that is the identifier, is bn, and I give value as submit. I just save it. Now you can see that when you look at the XML file, you can see here a new string resource is present here with the name bn and value submit. Now just go to the layout of the activity. In the graphical layout you can see a button is present on the activity with a submit text on it. Okay, now I am going to make a method. Now when the user click the button, I am going to make a method that is invoked when the user click the button. So again go to the XML and add another attribute here, Android on click, and here I just give a method name as display method. Okay, I just saved the project. Now we have to define definition for the display method. So go to the src folder and expand that package. Here is the Java file corresponding to this activity. Okay, now I have to create a method called display method here. So public void display method with argument view. Some errors is present here. I have to import the view plus. Okay, now I have to create a simple toast here to display a simple message on the screen. Toast dot make text, get the base context of the application, and here I just give a text for when the user click the button, the text will appear as a toast, and just give a duration for the toast to display. It is not short, I make it as long. Okay, to make the toast visible, make it as enable the show method. Okay, now I just create a simple button on the graphical layout of the project. When the user click the button, a toast is appear. So here on the button attribute on the XML, I just give an attribute called Android on click, and here is the method that is invoked when the user click the button. Okay, now we have to run the project. Run as Android application. Okay, now you can see that the Android emulator, the AVD is open up, and here is the layout for the project that we are already created. Here is the button with text submit. Now I'm going to click the button. Now you can see a toast is appear here. This is called a toast, which will appear for a short interval of time. Okay, click the button, you can see the message is appear again. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next part of this tutorial. In the next part, I'm going to explain more about the view component used in Android. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next part.